Hey, David McGuffin here. I'm in my kitchen here in Middleburg, Florida, and it's a Sunday night. My wife Charlotte's out of town, so I get to eat a few things she doesn't really care for. So tonight I'm fixing lamb chops, and I went to Costco, bought the best lamb I could get is from Australia, so who knows. But the last time I had some lamb was in Dingle at the restaurant there on the harbor, known as the Chart House. I go there every time because it's fantastic and it's fresh Kerry lamb right there from the Dingle Peninsula. But tonight it's from Australia, so I want to just show you a little bit about what I'm doing and how I'm cooking this stuff up. So this is my lamb chops I got from Costco. I split them up and I've marinated them for an hour with a mixture that I put in the food processor of fresh oregano and thyme from my garden. I'm home during the summer now, so I'm not traveling anywhere, so I can maintain that. Fresh oregano and thyme, 2 cloves of garlic, and olive oil, salt, and pepper. So I've marinated that about an hour, and I'm getting ready to put it on the grill in just a moment. So to complement this lamb, I'm fixing a little bit of asparagus here. I learned about it in some travel book or travel tale that I read many years ago, where basically the Italians, when they have fresh asparagus, this is not fresh by the way, when they have fresh asparagus in the season, which is in the spring, you just take it, sprinkle it with olive oil, salt, and pepper, roast it, and then you're good to go. So that's the second ingredient. The third ingredient is Betty Crocker scalloped potatoes. One time, years and years ago, I went through the process of trying to make potatoes au gratin with fresh potatoes, the recipe that the French would prepare all the time. It took me a couple of hours to do, to slice the potatoes thin, to go through the cheese and milk and all that stuff, and it tastes no better than this right here. So this is a 30-minute recipe. Buy the box, it'll go good. So the Betty Crocker potatoes go in here for 25 minutes or so, according to the box directions. I keep this stone in here for pizza and anything else. I'm gonna put the asparagus in there in a few minutes to roast it on the stone. So asparagus goes in about 10 minutes before the potatoes are done, and I'm gonna shut this door, and then I'm gonna take these lamb chops outside and put them on the grill. So this grill's been, unfortunately it's just a gas grill, no wood or anything. So it's been going for 30 minutes or so. It's around 500 degrees according to that. I'm gonna put the lamb chops on here 4 or 5 minutes aside, because I like them pretty dang rare. And boy, I could smell the garlic, oregano, and the rosemary on there. It smells fantastic. So we'll leave it there. I'm gonna shut the lid for 3 minutes and then come back and check on it. So everything's cooking right now. I've got the potatoes and the asparagus in the oven, the lamb on the grill out there. Let me see what Alexa says. Alexa, how much time's left?
You have 4 minutes and 40 seconds left.
Well, I guess she's the authority, so we're going to get the lamb off the grill right now. But boy, created a lot of smoke here on my back porch. So all the food's on the table, ready to eat it. My gosh, I'm stuck here in Middleburg, Florida, but it's a great thing. Your culinary adventure starts right here with David McGuffin's Exploring Europe and our cat Tuxedo. Bon appetito.